So in this video you will see I have got a topic. It's called how to write number and text in same cell. It seems easy, like you can just write 5 feet here. Problem is in Excel you want to use formulas. If this is 5 feet, I want to convert this to inches. I will have to come in here, multiply this 5 with a 12. See, write this 5 into 12 should give me 60 inches, but it's not giving me 60 inches. Something's wrong. So how to correct this? For that I will just do it in another cell. I will come in here and click this button, come right here to more number formats, and in this format you can come to the custom part and write this hash mark, so number and space and then inverted commas, and write the unit you want. For example, I want to write feet, so feet, and close the inverted commas and press OK. So when I write 5 now, it shows me 5 feet, and when I multiply this 5 with 12, it shows me 60. Now if I want this 60 to be shown in inches, I will have to come in here, press the format cell, and in the custom part I can come and press the hash again and press space, inverted commas and inches, and then inverted commas again and press OK. I get 5 feet equals 60 inches. So thank you guys, and please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content.